Good morning. Today we're going to do a video on a Harley Davidson Accelerator pump on your CV carburetor. A lot of people have been inquiring about that they have a flat spot as they turn their throttle. What I'm going to do on this video is to explain how to service this accelerator pump. Alright, I'm going to pull this cover off and show you guys how easy this is. Now for the air filter. All right, the accelerator pump needle is right there. It squirts gas into the throat of the carburetor. Just watch. And what that does is get you over the flat spot from idle to off idle. All right, let's start this up and show you. As you look, I hit the throttle. That's a must. If it's not squirting healthy, service it. And in this video, I will show you how. Any questions, just ask. With that, I got the carburetor, a little cleaner, and a brush. This is the accelerator pump right there. That's the housing for it. We will remove the float bowl to show you how to test it. This is the needle I was showing you on the motorcycle. So with that, let's take these 4 screws off. 1. Number 2 Phillips head does a good job. If you have to, you use that impact Phillips that I show you on my rebuild carburetor video. 4 Phillips heads at the bottom. This is relatively easy. You have it in your hands. This is the part. This is it right here. Take notice of the accelerator pump rod and how that clips in. Now this is what activates your pump. This is your throttle. Now if you fill this up with gas and pump this, it will squirt. Watch it. Right there where that hole is, you'll see bubbles. Now you know this works. Go. We'll drain it. You see. It's that simple. Put that aside. Let's remove these 3 screws at the bottom. It's spring loaded, so just keep your thumb on it. And these parts, you don't want them on the floor. Some of them have a little ball bearing. This one is seated into the cap, but it has O-rings, which I'll show you in a second. All right, now you see the way that comes up. There's a spring. There's your 2 O-rings. Utmost important, if they're not there, they will leak. You'll see your hole right there. This is what feeds it and feeds it. Comes in, comes out, comes up. That's it. With a little compressed air. Watch that O-ring. Put that O-ring aside. That feeds these. See the 2 holes? light cleaning. Make sure these O-rings are back in place so you don't forget. Alright, so now with this accelerator rod, there's our diaphragm. Accelerator Pump Diaphragm. This one looks good. Just remember the way it goes in. You'll see there's a lip that seals into this. Squirt a little air. You take a pair of pliers and don't get crazy. See the way this is indexed? There's your hole squirting into the carburetor throat. And just twist. It's a machine fit. It's not a problem. It's brass, so it's easy. There it is. And this is what people don't want to take apart. They don't think you can. Okay, there you go. We know that's clean. We'll put that aside. Now, we take the float bowl. You see that hole there? Clean them both out. Now we know everything's clean. With compressed air or fuel or whatever we need to do, we could test this. So now we know everything's clean. Let's put it back together. All right, you see the way that lip is? Okay. Beautiful. Take the shorties, get it started. Don't get crazy, hand tight. Hand tight. You see there's an O-ring and the diaphragm. That's what seals it. There we go, we got that together. Now let's flip it over. I'm going to put the accelerator pump rod in place and let's test it. A little gas, and let's see what it does. There we go. You see the gas coming right through there. Nice. All right, let it settle down. Let's put the pin back in. Remember the way it's orientated. It's a machine fit. There we go. Now let's test it. We know it's working. Piece of rubber on the bottom. Put this aside. Take the carburetor, accelerator pump rod. You'll see, if you look at the side, you'll see the hole. Right there. So you just angle, put it up, lean it. You see our needle is right there. That's where our needle goes. Around. Beautiful. Let's drop our 4 screws in. Hopefully you got an understanding of what's going on here. All right, there's the needle. Obviously this is covering it. Your accelerator pump's on the right side. Turn the throttle. And that's that spray. You have to have that jet of fuel to get you off idle and into the mid circuit. Let's start it up. Just to show you how this operates. And I really do appreciate if you could subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Ride safe and have a great day.